What's up, you guys? I'm back with another video, this time waxing my top lip, of course using Purple Seduction by Sexy Smooth. So I just removed my piercing and now I'm just cleansing off my top lip and using some powder to soak up that moisture. And honestly, this is probably the worst wax I've gotten or done on myself. It is not as painful as it was the first time, but it still hurts. So to all of my PCOS girlies, I commend y'all and I'm praying for y'all because this is no joke. But I enjoy doing it because I see the little hairs. Everybody else probably doesn't, but I definitely do. And when I was in school, this was literally me just finding stuff to wax because I wanted to practice that much. So I really enjoyed it. So yeah, I did the first strip. Now I'm doing a cleanup and there it is. Look at all of that crazy. You can't even tell. And I actually did my nose, but I didn't want to show it because I mean I cleansed my nose out, don't get me wrong, but it just looked, yeah, no, we're not going to show that. But it definitely can breathe a lot more. It's feeling real different when you take them nose hairs off. But yeah, this is the lip. I love a good lip waxing. I just love this wax in general. I can't wait to try my other wax that they sent me. So y'all need to book. People, go ahead and book. Go ahead and click that link in my Instagram bio at Eye Candy Studios HTX on Instagram and book your appointments. I know y'all want to. Just go ahead and do it. But yeah, so just doing another cleanup. I always try to do that middle section because there is hair there that can be left behind. Then I just use some aloe to soothe my skin and we are all done. See y'all later. Bye.